Hi guys, in this video I am going to make this simple 2D diagram in Autocad 2020. So let's start the video. So in order to make this diagram, the first step is to make the outer circle which have a radius of 10 units, and then we can start making the number of profiles. So let's start with making the circle. So in your convenience, I use the yellow color for your better view. So let's make a circle of having a radius of 10, and now let's make this profile first having a radius of 1.6. For that, simply make a circle at this quadrant point of radius 1.6. Use the trim command, trim, double enter, trim these two portions, press enter. Now use the array command, select this profile, press enter, choose the polar array option, click at this center point. Now let's select the number of items. For that, simply type 12 and now close the array. Now trim all the unwanted portions, use trim command, double enter, trim like this. And now press enter. Now let's make other profiles. Now let's make this profile. For that, let's make 3 circles. I will show these 3 circles later in the diagram. First, make a circle having a radius of 7. Now let's make a circle having a radius of 6. Again make a circle having a radius of 7. Having a radius of 5. So these are 3 circles. Let me show you in the diagram. The first circle 7 and this intermediate circle 6, and if you calculate from this radius, it will be having a radius of 5. So now let's make these two reference line for the center point. If you calculate from the horizontal plane, the reference line having a angular offset of 60 degree from this point. So let's make a reference line from this horizontal point. Simply select at this point and enter an angle of 60 degree. Now click at any point. Now press enter. Now use the mirror command, select this profile, press enter. Now click at this point and this point. Turn on the ortho option for your more convenience. Now use the trim command, trim all the extra portions, trim, double enter, trim these 3 circles first, and now let's make 2 circles at the center point. The first circle have a radius of 1. Now let's make another circle at the center point, have a radius of 1. Now remove this and this 2 lines. Also remove this circle. Now again use the trim command, trim this 2 extra portion, and now press enter. Now let's make these 5 circles. For that, you have to make a reference lines from this horizontal plane. Let me show you how. Simply click at the center point, and now I am going to make an angle of minus 30 degree. As we are going downward, I use the minus symbol. Click at any point. Now press enter. Make a mirror of this line like this. Now for the center point, we have to make a circle from this center point having a radius of 6. Now let's make the first circle at this intersection point of diameter for the diameter type D. Now enter the diameter 2, use the array command, select this object, use the polar array option, click at this center point for the center. Now I use a simple trick. As you can see, the angle cover or angle fill is 120 degree, so enter at this 120 degree. Now for the number of items, enter 5, press enter. Now close array. Now delete all the unwanted parts. Now we have to make these two circles. For that, you can see the diameter is 4 and the outer diameter is 6. Go to Autocad, make two circles from the center point. Make the first circle of diameter 4, and now again make a circle from the same center point of diameter 6. Now we have to make some slots. As you can see, the angle is 110 degree. If you subtract from this horizontal plane, you will get an angle of 160 degree from 0 point. So let's make a line, click at this center point and enter an angle of 160 degree and a length of 10 units. Now press escape. Now make a horizontal line from this point like this. This is just a reference line, so make any length for your convenience. Now as you can see in the diagram, there is an angular offset. The angular offset is only 10 degree, so for that simply make a line from this point, enter an angle of 150 degree, click at this point, press escape. Now use the mirror command, select these two lines, click at this point and this point. Now also make a line, make an angular offset for this line, enter an angle of 280 degree, as this line is at an angle of 270 degree. Click at this point for the length. Now press escape. Now use the trim command, trim, double enter, trim all the portions like this, trim all the portions, all the unwanted portions, trim also this. And now press enter, and that's all. The diagram is completed. As you can see, we have drawn all the profiles in the diagram. So I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch more contents like this. Thank you and have a nice day.